And we are recording. So here is an example of what I was talking about when we have a newer Commodore 64. When you first turn it on, using a video cable that goes into the front of the monitor and a 1701 monitor. This is, I don't know how new, I mean none of them are new, but it's a later model of the 64, and the screen looks pretty fantastic. But when I unplug, or turn this off, and very carefully, why do you do that? Plug the same cables into this earlier model. The screen looks remarkably different. Oh, come on, baby. Okay, we got it. Okay, so here we go. Here is the older 64. Same cables, same everything, same monitor. Ew. Yeah. So, I guess that's one way to tell if you have a 64 that is more vintage. I heard, actually, I think it was Bill Hurd told the story, it's quite funny, of how the first 64s, they flickered. And I remember, because I had one of the first 64s. It cost $899.95. And I hooked it up to a TV. And yeah, there was a flickering. I was like, oh, well, who cares? But this was a big thing. They didn't like this. So it was quickly corrected. And apparently the way they got to correct it was not to stop it flickering, but to get it flickering in blue rather than white. And of course, when you're flickering in blue on a blue screen, guess what? You don't see it. Anyway, so there is an old 64 and a newer 64, and how different they look on the same 1701 monitor. So I'm going to stop this recording.